Did you know there's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways? Meet HD 189733b, a gas giant 63 light-years away. It might look like a peaceful blue planet, but in reality, it's a nightmare world. Temperatures here reach 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, 927 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But the craziest part? The winds here blow at a mind-blowing 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And if that's not terrifying enough, imagine being caught in a storm where it rains molten glass, flying sideways at hurricane speeds. You wouldn't stand a chance. Scientists believe this planet's deadly storms are caused by its close orbit to its star, making it one of the most extreme places in the universe. So, if you're planning a space vacation, stay far, far away from this planet. Hit like if you'd survive a storm like this, and subscribe for more insane space facts.